This loaded veggie chilla is the perfect, most wholesome winter brunch and inspired by Korean veggie pancakes. We will start by soaking our dal and blending with ginger, green chili and tender cilantro stems. To this हम ऐड करेंगे थोड़ा सा बेसन और चावल का आटा for the crispness, all our spices with a pinch of baking soda for the fluffiness. And now we will go in with our shredded veggies of our choice. I have used some sweet potato, greens, carrots, onions, cabbage, lauki and some green garlic. Give this a gentle mix and you shouldn't need to add any water at this stage. The vegetables should help form a thick batter that just coats all veggies similar to a Korean veggie pancake. In a pan, heat some oil and add in some til, rye and curry leaves. Add in the batter and the thickness here is totally up to you. I have kept it on a thicker side for a nice fluffy interior. Let it crisp until it gets a beautiful golden brown crust on both sides. And this is ready to serve. Pair this loaded veggie chillas with some dahi tadka and chutneys of your choice for the easiest nutritious meal. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.